Hello viewers, in holy sale many people are eagerly waiting for Redmi Pad 2 Pro. So they are asking me whether there will be any price drop on this tablet or not. Redmi Pad 2 Pro is a recent offering from Redmi. Currently the price for the 128GB variant is around 28,000 rupees, and if you have bank discount, in that case you can buy this tablet right now at 26,986 rupees. That is very high. In holy sale also there will not be any sudden price drop, so you cannot expect massive discount on this tablet. In order to get huge discount on Redmi Pad 2 Pro, you have to wait for another sale. Only then you can have good discount. But there are other options like Xiaomi Pad 7 which you can consider buying. The best price for Xiaomi Pad 7 is around 21,000 rupees for the 128GB variant, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 23 to 24,000 rupees maximum. Also, you can consider Oneplus Pad Go 2. 8GB and 128GB variant is priced at 27,000 rupees, and after exchange and bank discount you can buy that tablet at around 21,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is iPad 11th generation. If you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be 27 to 28,000 rupees, but you may not get that pricing, so the best price for holy sale would be around 29,000 rupees maximum, and don't buy above 29,000 price point. I know many people are not getting their desired deal in many sales, so they are asking me that they are not getting the desired deal or the best price that I am mentioning in my videos. Look, the sellers are very clever now. They are increasing the price during the sale, so people are befooled by them. So before buying any tablet or iPad, you must know the best price of each and every tablet so that you don't get befooled. I have made many videos where I have mentioned the best price or the exact price that a tablet can be bought. Do check out those videos in the playlist and you will have a clearer idea about the price point. Similarly, many people are planning to buy Oneplus Pad 3 and they are asking me whether Oneplus Pad 3 is better or iPad Air M3 is better. I think iPad Air M3 is better, but if you are looking for an Android tablet with very good processor and display, in that case you can definitely consider Oneplus Pad 3. The best price for Oneplus Pad 3 is 40,000 rupees maximum. And for the iPad Air M3, the best price would be around 42,000 rupees from Amazon.in. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus, in that case also the best price would be 40,000 or less. So hope this video has become informative to you. I think in the holy sale you may get discounts on these tablets, so wait for the holy sale. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.